Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix the no sound on Instagram videos. So let's get started. Well, the first thing that you can do is to make sure that your app is updated. So go and Play Store and write Instagram. Here, if it says open, then your app is updated, but if it says update, then you need to update your app. Another thing that you can do is go to settings, scroll all the way down till you get to sound and vibration, so tap on it. And from adjust volume, choose media and slide it to about the center. Then go back to Instagram and see if the sounds start playing back or not. If none of these things work, swipe down from the top right corner and make sure that the battery saver is turned off. So these save energy, but sometimes it slows down apps and features such as sounds. If you done all this and it doesn't work, you can clear the app cache. So go to settings, then scroll all the way down till you get to apps. Tap on manage apps. Now scroll all the way down till you get to Instagram, and here it is. So tap on it. Tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache. Another thing that you can do is to check your Bluetooth headphone or AirPods, so there could be a possibility that the sound transmits into them rather than your phone. So go to settings, then tap on Bluetooth, and make sure that nothing is connected. And I hope your problem will get solved. And this is it. This is how to fix the no sound on Instagram videos. Thanks for watching. See ya.